As we get into fall, we're hoping to see our COVID-19 numbers level off and drop again. But at the same time, many people may be confusing COVID symptoms with symptoms related to allergies. WFNY News 2's Jalen Gilkey is here to clear up the confusion. Jalen.
Well, coughing, congestion, and a sore throat all can be symptoms for both COVID-19 and common seasonal allergies. Today we spoke with Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist infectious disease expert Dr. Christopher Ull to help us explain the difference between the two.
So the difference, allergy symptoms and COVID symptoms, it really hasn't changed much.
So go ahead and explain it for us, Dr. Ull.
Just nasal stuffiness, particularly associated with itchy eyes and red eyes, that's more likely an allergy than COVID. The main symptom in vaccinated people is stuffy nose, sore throat, and loss of sense of taste and smell. So allergies tend not to give you a loss of sense of taste or smell.
But if you're not sure either way, there's only one way to find out for sure.
If you got a bit of a cough and you got a sore throat, that's a little bit more likely to be COVID than an allergy. So sometimes they cross over a little bit. If you're not sure, get a test.
Dr. Ull went on to say that if there's any doubt in your mind about whether it's COVID or your allergies, just go get a test. You can schedule a test at several pharmacy health departments or special testing sites set up by Triad Hospital System.